Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mikis Auto Tools. This channel focuses on sharing affiliate marketing knowledge and helping you build effective affiliate marketing systems on platforms like Amazon, Alibaba, and TikTok. In the previous video, I showed you how to automatically schedule and post TikTok videos, including TikTok Shop product videos, across your entire TikTok account system using MKT Tik Pro. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use seeding strategies to boost your TikTok channels, increase recommendations, and push your live streams into TikTok trends more effectively. And this method is not only for affiliate marketers. It's also extremely useful for *online sellers, *e-commerce businesses, *TikTok shop sellers, *marketplace sellers, live stream sellers. Affiliate marketers can use it, but for sellers and live stream businesses, the effect is even stronger. So in this video, I'll share everything you need to know. Before we get into today's main content, let's roll the intro. Alright, first open the MKT Tik Pro software. In the previous video, I introduced the interaction feature, which is used to warm up accounts. Now, after your accounts are properly warmed up and targeted to the right audience, we move to the seeding feature. For seeding settings, I usually set the delay between actions to around 10 to 20 seconds. And for the number of actions, I normally set it around 20 actions. Inside the seeding section, there are many different types of seeding options. *video seeding, *audio seeding, *keyword seeding, *live stream seeding, *hashtag seeding, *UID seeding. UID means the specific TikTok account ID you want to boost. Now let's start with video seeding. This feature automatically interacts with specific videos that you want to boost. You simply paste your TikTok video links here. Then the software will automatically process them in sequence. You can configure how many video links each account interacts with. Prevent duplicate seeding between accounts. Automatically remove completed links after processing. Next, you can customize the interaction behavior. Watch duration per video. Random likes. Random comments. Save videos. Share videos. Random follows. You can also randomize all interaction actions to make everything look more natural. For comments, you can prepare pre-written comment content like amazing, this is great, very useful, and the software can randomize those comments across multiple accounts automatically. That's basically how video seeding works. Next is audio seeding. Honestly, this feature isn't used as often. It mainly helps push specific sounds or music tracks into trends. So it's mostly useful if you work in the music niche. The more important features are *video seeding, *keyword seeding, *live stream seeding, *hashtag seeding. Now let's talk about keyword seeding. Here, you enter keywords related to your channel niche. For example, if your channel focuses on fashion or home appliances, you can enter branded or niche-specific keywords. The software will search only for those keywords and continuously boost engagement around them to help rank them higher on TikTok search results. And now, the strongest feature inside our software, live stream seeding. This is one of the most powerful functions. You can configure how many live streams to interact with, watch duration, interaction timing. For live streams, I recommend setting longer watch times. Usually, TikTok evaluates live stream performance heavily during the first 10 minutes. So what I normally do is let accounts watch for 10 minutes, exit the live stream, then re-enter again. This creates strong viewer retention and crowd effects during the critical early stage of the live stream. Because honestly, when you start a live stream and nobody is watching, it becomes very difficult to keep talking naturally. And when real viewers enter and see an empty or inactive live stream, they usually leave immediately. That's why we use warmed-up accounts to create engagement effects like fake order confirmations, product compliments, I already bought this, This product is amazing. Asterisk, I just placed an order. Basically, we create social proof and make the live stream feel active and crowded. Then when real viewers enter the live stream, they think, wow, this live stream has so many viewers and comments. That curiosity encourages them to stay longer. And once people stay longer, you have a much higher chance of converting them into customers. Because if viewers instantly scroll away, there's almost no chance to sell anything. But once you keep them watching, you have opportunities to convert them. That's basically how seeding works. And of course, when you work with our team, we guide you step by step through the entire process. Our support team accompanies you throughout your entire journey. We help you, asterisk, build growth strategies, asterisk, optimize your TikTok system, asterisk, create effective channel structures, asterisk, scale more efficiently. Our software has already been widely used across many platforms. You can search our company online or on YouTube. We already have a strong presence on social media platforms. We work across multiple platforms and have built a very strong reputation in this industry. Honestly, we consider ourselves one of the leading companies in this market. Next is hashtag seeding. This feature helps boost specific hashtags and niche keywords for your channels. And honestly, hashtags are extremely important if you want to build successful TikTok channels. This is actually one of my personal strategies. When you work with me directly, I'll guide you through it in detail. Just this hashtag strategy alone can make a huge difference in growing a channel successfully. And honestly, not many people are willing to share this kind of method publicly. So if you work with us, I'll personally guide you through it step by step. Alright, that's the end of today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next videos. See you in the next one.